Welcome to 2404 Warner Place, located here in Ann Arbor. This open floor plan provides a cozy yet modern feel. The kitchen is cozy and has lots of storage space, a dishwasher, fridge, large sink, and an electric stove. The dining area can fit 6 guests comfortably. The laundry room is spacious and comes with a washer and dryer as well as shelves for extra storage. The bathroom features a roomy tub, under the sink and mirror storage as well as built-in storage. This bedroom is spacious and can fit a queen and other furniture comfortably. It also features double closets. Apply for free at oldtownrealty.net or to set up a showing, give us a call at 734-663-8989.